Hi all, my name is Nurdani Zikri bin Muhammad Faisal from group A4AS1201_1, and today I'll be presenting about technology in chemistry by me. In today's video, I'll be talking about polymer. So, polymer was invented at the end of 19th century in the effort to substitute ivory that was used as billiard balls. Bakelite was later invented by Leo Baekeland in 1907. Polymer science continues to grow until the present day with the manufacturing of various new polymers to meet the needs of technology and modern life. So, polymer. So what is polymer? By definition, a polymer is a long chain of molecules that is made from a combination of many repeating basic units. The basic units would be of a polymer is known as monomer. There are various products around us that are made from polymers such as protein, starch, polyethylene, and nylon. So, polymer got two sources of polymer. First one is obviously natural polymer. This kind of polymer can either be natural polymer or synthetic polymers. Natural polymers are polymers that are naturally available and can be obtained from our surroundings. For example, starch and protein and cotton. Other than that, synthetic polymers on the other hand are man-made through chemical reactions in laboratories or factories. For instance, nylon, polyethylene, polystyrene, and etc. There are three types of polymer. The first one would be thermoplastic polymers. These kind of polymers that can be repeatedly remolded upon heating and can be recycled. When heated, these polymers melt and solidify when they are cooled. For instance, polyethylene, PVC, and nylon. Other than that, there are thermosetting polymers. These polymers cannot be remolded after heating. Thermosetting polymers normally disintegrate or burn upon heating and cannot be recycled, for instance, melamine and bakelite. Moreover, there are other types of polymers that would be elastomer polymers, polymers that can be stretched and can return to their original shape when released. These kind of polymers possess high elasticity properties like polyurethane and SBR. The use of polymers in daily life, it is very lightweight and strong and hard. There are various medical and laboratory apparatus are made of polyprene. The usage of these synthetic polymers is very suitable for laboratory works due to its characteristic, which is lightweight and yet is strong and hard. There are other characteristic which is resistant to high heat. Layering of acrylic polymer for roof waterproofing is a few good example due to how well polymers react to slippery condition and high heat condition. Good insulators of heat. In modern world, the usage of synthetic polymers as ties is no strange things. Polymers and the environment. Although it's clear crystal that polymers can be very useful for us humans in our daily life, it can also bring harm upon us. The uncontrollable amount of its usage and poor management on how to throw it away can be a few factors that causes multiple problems regarding our environment. The problem and its solution. Although it is clear that polymers can help us in various ways, it also has cons and ways to combat it. The cons is due to how many demands of plastic each year, it also can inflict problems like poor management on how to throw it away. This causes marine life to suffer and many creatures die due to microplastic entering their food chain. There are many ways that we can combat its cons. In line with advancement of green tech, various methods have been introduced to combat this problem. Recycling is one of them because of how it is easy for consumers to ensure that no non-biodegradable do not end up in landfills. Innovation to combat pollution. The introduction to degradable polymers, particularly plastics, allowing pollution to be reduced. Additives are added to enable plastics to decompose naturally by bacteria, biodegradable, or decompose by light, photodegradable. Plastic products will decompose faster and this will reduce the plastic dumping issue in landfills. Chemical analysis. Polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction can be divided into two types, addition and condensation. Addition polymerization by definition is the reaction occurs when monomers that have double covalent bonds between two carbons react to each other. For example, polymers polyethylene contains monomer ethene. Its characteristic, it is very durable and strong. This is very beneficial for products like plastic bags, bottles, and packaging. During the reaction, the double bond is opened and monomer are added to the molecule chain to produce a polymer. Other than that, we got condensation polymerization. By definition, it means this polymer involving at least two different monomers. For example, polymers polyester contains monomer 1,3-propanediol and terephthalic acid. Its characteristic, which is very strong, resistance to shrinkage and stretching, is useful for production of disposable plastic bottles. Its process consists two functional groups that will take part in polymerization reaction. The product of condensation polymerization is a polymer and another byproduct, such as water or HCl molecule. I believe that is all from me. Thank you and see you again.